Hey guys, Adam Fennig here with Fennig Equipment. You're tuned into the Talking Shed. Hey, today we're creeping up towards the end of August here, and Mitch and I, we came out to, we're near Bowling Green, Missouri today. We're roughly 6.5, 7 hours from home. We came here today to mount this 6056 Valmar on this 40-foot Great Plains Turbo Max. This particular seeder is an ISO controlled, so he's got a 4600 in the cab, so hydraulically driven meter. So as he runs through the field, his speed is going to compensate, or his rate is going to compensate with his speed, and he can control that all up there in the cab of the tractor. Real slick option. This one we tied the hydraulic fan and the hydraulic meter together, so we're just running everything on one outlet. Makes it pretty handy when you're running out of SCVs back here with a tillage tool like this. So we've got about 3,000 pounds of capacity here. Our deflectors are out front on this Great Plains Turbo Max, and they're spaced about every 20 inches. So that's what we're doing here today. Creeping up on the end of the day today, we're going to head to St. Joseph, get a 3-point mount seeder knocked out tomorrow, and we'll do another video on that one. So that's what we're doing today. Thanks for tuning in.